Hello guys, so in the previous lecture we have discussed how the memory is allocated to variables or arrays. So I have tell you that what is the memory? Memory is the combination of some partition, and each partition is of 1 byte, and every byte has the unique address. So we can perform several operations using the concept of the address. So can we play with the address? Yes, using the concept of the pointers in C++. When we talk about the addresses, then using the concept of pointers, we can perform several operations. So now we discuss the pointer variable. What is a pointer variable? Pointer variable is used to store the address. Now, please understand the pointer variable used to store the address. It stored the address, not the value. It do not store the value, it only store the address, a unique address of some partition. So let p be a pointer variable in this example. So let p be a pointer variable. So what is it is storing 560. 560 is not a value, it is the address of the partition. So at the address of 560, what we have stored? A variable a which has the value 7. Now you can look at the address of 580, we have stored a variable b which has the value 9, and the pointer variable p stored the address 560. So what we have done, this pointer variable p is referring to the address 560, means this variable a equals to 7. We can perform many operations using this pointer variable, using the concept of the address, because it stores the address of this partition. So pointer variable also take space in the memory to store the address. So this is very general that it is storing the address. So also it also takes some memory space to store this variable p. So which I have told already that there is no value in pointer variable, just address. Pointer variable, it just store the address. In this example, p stores the address of variable a, and we can perform many operations on variable a using the pointer variable. Also we can update the address of the pointer variable so it can point to another variable. Like see, p stores here 580, the address 580. In the previous example we have stored address 560, but in this we have updated the value of address, and now p is storing address 580. So what p does now, it's not pointing to a which is stored at the address 560. Now it is pointing to address 580 where b is stored with value of 9. So now the pointer variable p is referring to the b which is stored at the address of 580. I think now it should be clear to you. Just we will start coding of pointers in C++ from the next lecture, and we will go through very deep on this topic, because this is very important topic for the interviews and also in the concept of C++. Okay, thanks.